Hello everyone, welcome back in my YouTube channel. I am Manish Singh, math teacher. In today video, I will revise means I will like you can say I am re-explaining the square root because some students think this is a difficult topic, and so this is not a very tough, and you can say this is a very easy topic. Just you follow the method, you can solve the easily square root because maximum familiar with the square root. And square root is also you can say or you can call the under root. Some students know this square root as a under root. सो व्हाट इज़ अ स्क्वायर रूट? स्क्वायर रूट वो होता है जैसे हम जब भी हम किसी नंबर को उसी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, जो प्रोडक्ट हमको मिलता है, प्रोडक्ट क्या मिला, लाइक एज 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3, सो व्हाट वी गेट 9. सो व्हाट इज़ द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 9? सो इट विल बी 3, मतलब वो नंबर होगा जिसको आपने मल्टीप्लाई किया है, तो यही स्क्वायर रूट होता है. मीन्स जस्ट अपोजिट ऑफ स्क्वायर नंबर, लाइक एज व्हाट इज ए 4 स्क्वायर नंबर? 16. Square number 4 is a 16, and then 16 square root will be 4. And how we can find the 16? When you multiply 4 multiply by 2 times, 4 multiply by 2 square means you can say you can write any square like this, like as 4 square means 4 power 2. This power is also known as the square, and you can say this number in two method. You can how 4 square are 4 raised to the power 2. So this is the square means 4 multiplied by 2 times, or any natural number multiplied by 2 times. So this is a square. So 4 is square 16, and 16 square what? 4. So this is a square root, and this root is what you can say, or this root we can call as a radical. This root, the symbol of, you can say this is symbol of the root. ये कह सकते हो ये एक सिंबल है रूट का, और इस सिंबल को हम रेडिकल कहते हैं. क्या कहते हैं? रेडिकल. और उसके जो अंदर नंबर होता है इनसाइड, लाइक एज हियर इज ए 9, सो दिस नंबर इज नोन एज अ रेडिकैंड. व्हाट? रेडिकैंड. दिस इज अ रेडिकल, and this number is known as a radicand. So this is a under root sign here. Yeah, this is under root. You can say that also under root. And we can find the square by two method. First this one, prime factorization method, and second by long division method. Yesterday I also explained the prime factorization method, but once again I will explain in short. So listen, prime factor means आप नंबर्स का प्राइम फैक्टर फाइंड करोगे, फिर नंबर्स के पेयर बनाओगे, फिर उस पेयर के नंबर्स को पिक करके बाहर लाओगे और उसको नंबर्स को मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे और स्क्वायर रूट मिल जाता है. लाइक दिस वन 225. सो आफ्टर द प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड वी गेट व्हाट? फैक्टर ऑफ 225 इज 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 5 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3 मल्टीप्लाई बाई 3. फिर हमने यहाँ क्या करना है? पेयर बनाना है. किसका? 5 का. अब पता है अब पेयर में कितने नंबर होते हैं? 2. बट सेम नंबर, हेयर वी मेक द सेम नंबर पेयर. 5 5 देन 3 3. देन वी पिक आउट द पेयर्स नंबर. व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट पेयर नंबर? 5. देन पिक आउट द 5 1 5 not 2, then 3, and then multiply these two numbers. What is the answer? 5 3 is 15, same as 16. So this is all about for the square root. सिंपल सा आप स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड कर सकते हो. कैसे? बाय प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन मेथड में आप फाइंड करोगे फैक्टर्स लाइक दिस 3 3 3, then make the pair and then pick out the pairs number and then multiply by the pick out numbers. 3 3 is 9. So this is the square root. Now next And today, so firstly will be first re-explaining our firstly will be solve the what previous homework, then we solve the today's topic. What is the topic? How to find the square root of fraction by the prime factorization method. So students, so what was the homework? By prime factor, find the under root or find the square root of given number by prime factorization method. आपको फाइंड करना था इसका अंडर रूट या फिर स्क्वायर रूट कर सकते हो, अंडर रूट कर सकते हो. व्हाट इज दिस नेम? रेडिकल. लिसन, व्हाट इज दिस? रेडिकल. एंड अंडर द नंबर्स नोन एज अ रेडिकैंड. दिस इज अ रेडिकल एंड दिस इज अ रेडिकैंड. सो आप कैसे फाइंड करोगे? प्राइम फैक्टर से नंबर्स का फैक्टर फाइंड कर लोगे, फिर उन फैक्टर्स का पेयर बनाओगे, फिर पेयर बनाने के बाद पिक आउट करोगे नंबर्स को और फिर मल्टीप्लाई कर देना है. सो लुक हियर, 29 and 16 means 2916. Question is saying find the under root. So first you write the under the square root. So this is the square root 2916. Then we find the prime factor of 2916. So what is the 29 and 16 is it divisible by 2? Then we get what? 1458. Then 1458 also divisible by 2. Then 729. Then 729 is not divisible by 2. 729 is not divisible by 2. Then divide by 3. Then we get what? 243. Then 243 divisible by 3. Then we get that 81. Then 81 divisible by 3 is 27, 9. Just like as LCM. I know everyone familiar with the LCM, and also they know very well, all of you know very well how to find the prime factorization, how to find the prime factor any number. You know very well because you solved in previous class 5th, 6th and 7th. So everyone know, I hope everyone know the prime factor. So this is the prime factor. Then we write the prime factor in the square root 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3. Then make the, then we form the pair. फिर हम pair बनाएंगे same number, first pair, second and third. Okay, then here once 3 multiply by also. Then pick out the pairs number 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 and multiply by 3. Look here, first pair number, second pair number, third pair number, first and then fourth pair number. So first pair number in 2, then pick out the 2, then 3 pick out, then 3 again pick out, then again 3 pick out. Then we multiply by all numbers. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 3s are 54. So 54 is the square root of 2916, means 2916 square root is 54. So this is the square root. And now same as 925, sorry 9025. Firstly find the prime factor. आप prime factor find करोगे तो क्या मिलेगा? 5 5 and 999, 19 19. Then we make the pair. फिर pair बनाएंगे 5 multiply by 5 multiply by 19 multiply by 19. Pair, make the pairs. Then one, pick out the 5, then pick out the 19, then multiply by the pick outs number. 5 multiply by 19, 95. Like here 5, what is the prime factors of 9025? 5 multiply by 5 multiply by 19 multiply by 19, then 5, make the pair, then 5 and 19 pick out, then 19 multiply by 5, 19 5s are 95 is the square root of 9025. Now today's topic, and what's the topic today? Today is first find the square root of the following fraction. Find the square root of the following fraction. Listen, how we can find the square root of any fraction. Suppose that here is given and question was 9 upon 4. Then question is saying find the square root of 9 upon 4. This is very easy. Just you use the symbol of square root and you know what is the symbol. means you write the number in symbol of square root, write the number in a square root. So what was the number? 9 upon 4. So you can write like as 9 upon 4 r. You can write as under root 9 upon under root 4 indivisibly. You can write in both manner. आप ऐसे भी राइट कर सकते हो और आप 9 upon 4 को दोनों को एक साथ अंडर रूट में राइट कर सकते हो. सब कुछ वही प्रोसेस होगा. फ्रैक्शन देख के डरो नहीं, फ्रैक्शन देख के डरो नहीं. सो जस्ट टाइक एज ना सॉल्व द प्राइम फैक्टर. So 9 factor 3 multiply by 3 and 4 factor 2 multiply by 2. Then 3 upon 2. Pick out the pair. One pair is only. So 3 pick out from here, 2 pick out. Then answer will be 3 upon 2. So 3 upon 2 is square root of 9 upon 4. 9 upon 4. Same as, now this is a decimal given. डेसिमल है यहाँ, डेसिमल में 0.09. So firstly we convert in a fraction form, and you know how we can convert any decimal in a fraction according to the place. And you look here, see decimal after 2 digit from right hand side, then denominator will be 100. So you can write the 9 upon 100. Yes or no? Yes ना, राइट कर सकते हैं नहीं 0.09 को. यस. देन यूजिंग द स्क्वायर रूट 9 अपॉन 100 सेम एज 9 स्क्वायर 3 स्क्वायर रूट एंड 10 स्क्वायर 100 स्क्वायर 10. इफ यू नो द स्क्वायर नंबर ना, देन यू कैन इजिली सॉल्व द अंडर रूट और स्क्वायर रूट. मीन्स 0.09. Observe the decimal place. Decimal is here using after 2 digit. Then denominator will be 100 and write the numerator 9. Then write in under root square or write in a square root. Then same method follow. What? By prime factorization method. By prime factorization method 9 upon 100 and 9 factor will be 3 multiplied by 3 and 100 factor will be 10 multiplied by 10. 10 multiplied by 10. This here I'm writing in a chart. Why? Because when you find the factor of 100, you get what? 2, 50, then 2, 25, then 5 and 5. 2 2s are 4 and then 5 is a 25. 100. So pair in 2 and then 5, one pair 5, then answer will be 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. You can easily solve like this. So because you know 100, which number is square number? 100 is a 10. The square number of 10. 100 is the square number of 10. So you can write the 3 upon 10 easily. Same as the third question. Third question was 144 upon 169. So you know very well. होता क्या है 144 का स्क्वायर रूट 12. मीन्स 144 किसका स्क्वायर नंबर है? 12 का. एंड 169 13. सो यू कैन राइट डायरेक्टली 144 square root is equal to 12 upon square root 169 upon 13. But if any problem you don't know, so first write in a prime factor form, then make the pairs and then you can write the answer. So student, this was all about for today, and today's homework is solve the exercise 3b. Solve the exercise which size? 3b, question number only 2. So I hope all of you doing your homework properly. So thank you and take care.